This is Angira Purohit, Department of Pharmaceutics, PE Societies, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune 44. Hereby I present quick review on mucoadhesive drug delivery systems. Mucoadhesive drug delivery systems are those systems which get attached to the mucous membrane of our body and releases the drug at specific site, maybe for local action or systemic action. So why we need mucoadhesive drug delivery systems? Mucoadhesive drug delivery system prolong the residence time of the dosage form at the site of application and absorption. The dosage form is in the intimate contact with the absorption layer. It improves therapeutic performance by reducing drug quantity amount. It should not cause irritation to the layer where it is applied. The high drug loading capacity is possible with mucoadhesive drug delivery systems. It can cause controlled drug delivery system, preferably unidirectional release, that is, the drug is released only to the absorption layer and not to the other surfaces. Advantages: mucoadhesive drug delivery systems offer many advantages because they have ability to prolong the residence time of the dosage form at the site of absorption. It can cause targeting and localization of dosage form at specific site. High drug flux at the absorption tissue due to unidirectional drug release. It will serve both the purpose of sustained release and presence of dosage form at the site. Excellent acceptability, painless administration and low enzymatic activity and prevents first pass metabolism. Disadvantages: if mucoadhesive drug delivery systems adhere too tight to the layer, then it may cause injury to the mucosal layer. Some patients suffer from unpleasant feeling. The lack of standardization techniques often leads to unclear results. The drug delivery system may be costlier than the other modified release dosage form options. The medication administered orally do not enter the bloodstream immediately after passage through the buccal mucosa. There are various theories proposed for the mucoadhesion of the dosage form to the mucous layer. The electronic theory, it explains the unsatisfied electronic charges interact between the mucoadhesive material used into the dosage form and the mucous layer, and thus it causes attachment of the dosage form to the mucous layer. The wetting theory, the mucous material gets hydrated by the water which is present into the mucus, and thus it spreads over the mucous layer and causes mucoadhesion. Adsorption theory, the surface bonds causes adsorption of the mucous polymer and thus causes adhesion to the mucous layer. Diffusion theory, here the long strand polymers get entangled into the mucous bulk and this causes fixation of the mucoadhesive dosage form to the mucous layer. Mechanical theory, adhesion arises from an interlocking of liquid adhesive into irregular rough surfaces. And fracture theory, it does not require physical entanglement of bioadhesive polymer chains to the mucus strands, and hence it is appropriate to study the bioadhesion of hard polymer which lack the flexibility of the chain. Next is mechanism of mucoadhesion. So, this mechanism is broadly classified into two steps: contact stage and consolidation stage. So, when the dosage form is introduced, it gets hydrated by the fluid which is present in the biosystem, then it swells and it comes in contact with the mucus. The next step is consolidation stage. So, here the interaction occurs between the mucoadhesive polymer and the mucus. It can be electronic, it can be diffusion, it can be adsorption, and thus it leads to firm fixation of the dosage form onto the mucus layer. Once it gets fixed onto the mucus layer, then it gets activated and it releases drug at the surface which is in intimate contact with the mucus layer. The polymers which are used to form mucoadhesive systems are classified as natural polymers, synthetic polymers, biocompatible polymers, and biodegradable polymers. So, natural polymers examples are sodium alginate, pactine, tragacanth, etc. Synthetic polymers are polyvinyl alcohols, polyamides, polycarbonates, polyalkene glycols, etc. Biocompatible polymers can be esters of hyaluronic acid or polyvinyl acetate ethylene glycol. Biodegradable polymers are polylactides, polyglycolides, polylactide coglycolides, polycaprolactones, and so on. The mucoadhesive drug delivery system can be classified based upon where they are going to get localized. So, it can be buccal delivery system, sublingual drug delivery system, vaginal drug delivery system, rectal drug delivery system, nasal drug delivery system, ocular drug delivery system, gastrointestinal drug delivery system. In gastrointestinal drug delivery system, mucoadhesive systems, if these are specified for the stomach, then this is a type of gastroretentive mucoadhesive drug delivery systems. Thank you.